Due to the recent shootout in Sector 3's club, security have determined that they need to rearm their security guards for the better. As you can see here, the inmates that we call Atmos have armed themselves with a variety of different weapons that pose a danger. We contacted the company behind the audio cassettes that are so popular here in the bunker, as they are known for great technology and other devices, as well as video cassettes, for which this training video is recorded over, as you will see demonstrated here. Waytech Electronics finally said yes to our plea and answered the call. Behold, the MG88 Eliminator, the versatile squad-based weapon as displayed here. It comes equipped with an anti-personnel underbarrel grenade launcher, a 30-round magazine, fully automatic, and it will never jam because it is powered by Waytech Electronics. They come in a variety of two colors. The more popular orange brand, and of course, the more stealthy black brand. We will now demonstrate the firepower of our service pistol. And now the MG88 Eliminator. Greatly improved performance. Hopefully this militarization of our security guards is not a concern to you. We are here to protect you while you do your work in the bunker, and to keep you safe from Atmos cultists. Be kind and courteous to our staff. And of course, never do this.
Fuck you, moron! Die, pig! Ah!
Try this
Hello,
instead.
sir.
Hello, sir. Can you please tell me where Sector C is?
Right down that hall.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Fuck you, pig!
Alright!
You must have did acid before you came here.
Shut up, moron! I'm trying to have some fun.
Hey, buddy.
What's
our
up?
pay? We killed 6 people.
Hey, stupid, I'm looking for the safe keys. Do you mind?
Yeah, I do mind. Where's my goddamn pay?
You'll get your pay when we get those safes.
You're gonna get something in a second,
Oh yeah?
buddy.
I'm gonna fuck you in the ass.
Yeah, sure thing, pal.
Holy shit!
Oh, shit!